We don't find freedom, we create it, one small step at a time. Hi, my name's Karen Davies and welcome to the Fascia and Lymphatic Reset. The series of 4 videos was actually inspired by my own healing after breaking my ankle in Morocco. And what I realised was that my rehabilitation was not actually just about my ankle, it was about my entire body. Over the course of 3 or 4 months, I found that I'd become very sedentary, I put a lot of weight on, and I needed to rebuild my body and my confidence. And that's when I found the Fascia and Lymphatic Drainage Program. And after a little bit of research, I designed my own series of videos, each one tackling a different form of movement, from the beauty of the breath up to something a little bit more cardio and everything in between. Our fascia is found in every part of our body, covering our organs, our joints and our bones and muscles. And when it's fully mobilised, it opens up the pathways for the lymphatic system to operate at its best. And after a period of being sedentary, we find that things start feeling puffy, inflamed and stiff. And when we start introducing some gentle movement, then we find that not only our fascia starts strengthening, our lymphatic system starts draining, and our immune system responds. This is not something to force our body into. We're actually doing things to help our body do what is natural for it. With these 4 episodes, you can pick and mix exactly what you choose to do, whether it's based on the time you have available or the space, even the weather. This can be done inside too. And when practiced regularly, this reset program will help you feel lighter, brighter, strengthen your immune system and your entire body, and start reducing inflammation that being sedentary has potentially created. Now, I don't know about you, I'm signed up for that. So, if you're ready, let's begin. Of course, before you enter into the program, if you have any worries or concerns about health conditions, please speak to your GP before starting this program. So if you're ready, let's do the final episode of this series where we energize our bodies. So standing on your mat, your feet hip distance apart, let's just start warming up the body with a bounce. Now I struggle a little bit with this because of my ankle, so you can see my right leg isn't bouncing much at all, so you do it at your own level. And if you do a count of 30 to 40 for each of these exercises, you get yourself a really good workout. This bouncing is great, it really just signals to your body that you're warming up your blood circulation and your lymphatic system. Coming up next is the twist. If you're ready, let's go. You're taking your bounce to the next level and adding in the twist. And this gives your hips a really good workout, as well as with the arm movement, just starting to stimulate those armpits. Make sure through all of these exercises you keep your mind on your breathing as we do the swing. For 30 seconds, raising your arms up, bending your knees, keeping your tummy muscles pulled in tight. Feel the upper chest stretching with your arms raising, working out those thighs and the groins. Almost there, and relax. Next up, I call the gorilla arms. This is where we swing our arms from side to side, but your arms are actually giving your armpits a bit of a tap, really stimulating your lymphatic nodes, which are all grouped under our armpits. This is also giving our waist a good workout with a spinal twist. Try and keep your hips as still as possible and make it an upper body movement. Also working the neck beautifully. This is a lymphatic full body workout. And rest. Just feel that heart giving a good old pump. Next, we're going on to the golf swing. Swing those arms, turn your head from one side to the other, sweeping your arms up. This is really working the upper chest, your armpits, and your neck. And with a little twist with your feet, you're also working those hips and groins. Keep it going. 30 seconds, that's all it is. And you can relax. Coming up next is my front crawl crunches. That's not an easy one to say. This is where we're going to round our backs with our arms forward, pull back, and feel our shoulder blades go down our spine. This is a lovely chest opener. Armpits working hard. Keep it going, keep breathing. Pull in your tummy muscles. And just feel your spine, your chest working a treat. Give your arms and legs a little bit of a shake. You'll feel your body working out for sure. Next, coming up is the knee march. This is a great one for all parts of the body. You're working your groin here, and make sure that your arms are active. So as your arms are moving out to the side, you can feel your chest opening up and those armpits being stretched. At the same time, each step is also working those groins. And relax, just shake it all out, ready for the next one. Take your feet hip distance apart, and here we go. It's the scissor arms. Bending over slightly, keep your knees soft, crossing your arms one in front of the other, and then swapping. Keep your tummy muscles pulled in to protect your lower back, and please keep breathing. And relax, coming slowly up, vertebrae by vertebrae, giving your hips a little wiggle. And we're going into the next exercise. I call this one the golfer's warm-up. Place your hands on your chest and swing, bringing your elbows to the front, to the back, and taking your head with it so you're not putting any pressure on your neck. Again, remember to keep your knees soft, your tummy muscles pulled in, and breathe. Keep it going. 30 seconds, that's all. Maybe a few seconds more, but keep it going. And breathe. And relax. Take time to slowly come up to standing, and take a moment to just reflect on what you've done, because that is it. Our Energize Your Body has completed. Well done. Now just take a few moments to come down on your mat and relax a little while. Lie down, and we're just going to do some breathing exercises just to finish off, with our legs bent so that we protect our lower back, taking our knees from side to side to give ourselves a lovely spinal twist. And finishing off with some diaphragmatic breathing. Now this is one of my videos as standalone. Breathing itself really stimulates the lymphatic system. So become aware of your breathing, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. And if you place your hands on your lower belly, and when you breathe in, you feel your hands rising as your chest expands. That way, you know you're getting to your lower lungs. Do this for a couple of minutes and then you're done. I'm Karen Davies and you've been watching the Freedom to Move Fascia and Lymphatic Reset. I believe that we don't find freedom, we create it, one small step at a time. And whilst this might be the last in the 4 episodes, I have one special bonus coming up, and it's the Reset Combo. So if you're looking for a combination of all 4 of the videos that I've created, then this might just be for you.